Good day, Doctor. We are the team Servistars, and our title team is evaluating the effectiveness of IKEA Creative as an AI tool in supporting customer decision making. And here is our group member. IKEA is a global furniture retailer known for affordable, flat pack, and self-service solutions guided by the vision of creating a better everyday life for many people. This project focuses on IKEA Malaysia and examines how artificial intelligence is applied in service operations by using pixel analysis. In addition, industry analysis shows Malaysia is digitally supportive, but faces regulatory and sustainability challenges. Finally, the McKinsey 7S analysis confirms that IKEA is well prepared for digital transformation and effective AI adoption by focusing on strategy, structure, system, style, staff, and skills.
Next, this slide presents our literature review, which covers 5 interconnected topics. Many physical stores are closing, especially after COVID-19, so retailers must improve in-store experiences. IKEA uses digital retail tools like the IKEA Creative app with AI and AR to give customers an interactive and personalized shopping experience. However, good design still needs human expertise to focus on functionality. IKEA Creative is an AI-based application designed to enhance IKEA in-store and online shopping experience by allowing customers to visualize and customize features in their own space. Online furniture shopping involves high perceived risk because customers cannot see how items fit their space. IKEA uses AR tools in IKEA Creative to help users visualize furniture in their real rooms. This reduces uncertainty and helps customers to make better decisions. This aligns with the technology acceptance model by Davis in 1989, where adoption depends on perceived usefulness and ease of use in supporting purchase decisions.
This slide illustrates how AI is applied in IKEA Malaysia service operations through the IKEA Creative platform. First, customers can visualize their dream space by scanning their rooms, removing existing furniture, and placing IKEA products virtually, which creates a realistic preview of the space. Next, in the design stage, the AI provides product and layout suggestions based on the room size, lighting, and individual preferences. It also generates optimal layouts using ergonomics and usage patterns, helping customer design spaces that are both functional and personalized. Through the Build a Room feature, customers can create accurate 2D representations of their space using smartphones and test furniture placement in real time, which supports more precise and confident planning. In addition, IKEA provides self-planning tools such as AI search, virtual staging, and interactive advisory features. These tools help customers explore options independently, reduce cognitive effort, and increase confidence in their decisions. All of this AI can make the services more effective, less cognitively demanding, more engaging to customers, and offer a more fluid and immersive experience. Now, to analyze IKEA use of AI in customer service, we apply the service package model. IKEA has integrated multiple AI technologies into its service operations, including chatbots, predictive recommendations, AI-assisted checkout, and most importantly, the IKEA Creative 3D Room Planning platform. These tools allow customers to receive store-level support digitally, reducing friction in the customer journey while maintaining affordability and convenience. From a service package perspective, supporting facilities now extend beyond physical showrooms to include digital infrastructure such as IKEA Creative and mobile checkout systems. Facilitating goods remain IKEA products, but they are enhanced by digital assets like 3D furniture models and automated layout suggestions. The information component is strengthened through customer inputs, stored design data, and AI-driven recommendations, enabling personalized service at scale. Explicit services such as virtual 3D room design and instant product compatibility checks support implicit services by increasing customer confidence and a sense of control during decision making. As a result, customers are transformed from passive browsers into active designers.
Moving into section 4.0, we will analyze IKEA's service strategy. To understand how IKEA maintains its global lead, we first look at the Strategy Service Vision or SSV. This framework is essential because it aligns a firm's market positioning directly with its operational capabilities. The SSV focuses on the critical integration between two sides, which are external vision and the internal logic. By balancing this internal logic with external market needs, IKEA creates significant customer value while maintaining high operational efficiency. This synergy is exactly what gives them a sustainable competitive advantage in the retail furniture industry. To understand how this strategy is executed, we look first at the service delivery system, which is anchored by the IKEA Creative App platform. By leveraging spatial computing and LIDAR technology from Geometrical Labs, IKEA provides a user-friendly interface with real-time stock integration, allowing customers to visualize products in their own space. This technical foundation directly enables IKEA's operating strategy, which focuses on cost leadership through efficiency. By utilizing AI for global scalability and encouraging customer co-creation where users design their own space, IKEA effectively reduces staff time and minimizes product return rates. By catering for those who want professional results without hiring a designer, IKEA reinforces its service concept of providing visualizations confidence. This creates a seamless journey from inspiration to purchase, empowering customers with the ability to be their own interior design while removing the guesswork from the shopping experience. Moving to the target market segment, these digital tools are specifically designed for Gen Z and millennials, which is mobile-first users. Budget-conscious shoppers who are often risk-averse when buying online. It's also suitable for the user who want professional results without hiring designer. This slide shows Portal 5 which explains the level of competition in the furniture industry. The threat of new entrants is low because entering this market requires high investment, strong supply chains, and experience. The bargaining power of buyers is high since customers have many choices. However, supply power is low because IKEA works with many factories worldwide. Lastly, the threat of substitutor is low because furniture is a basic necessity. Overall, even with strong competition, IKEA holds a strong position in the market. Moving into our SWOT analysis, we start with IKEA's strength. IKEA target budget-conscious consumers who want stylish and functional furniture. This clear positioning, combined with efficient operations such as backpack design, bulk purchasing, and a self-service model, helps IKEA keep costs low and remain competitive. However, IKEA also has weaknesses. The company has faced quality complaints and reputational issues related to environmental and employee standards. In addition, its profit declined in 2022, and IKEA has limited presence in Africa and challenges adapting to local cultures. In terms of opportunity, IKEA has strong potential to expand into South America, Asia, and Africa. By using AI in e-commerce practice and diversifying products, IKEA can attract new customer segments. Finally, IKEA faced threats such as strong competition, economic uncertainty, supply chain disruption, and legal pressures. Therefore, IKEA must stay innovative and flexible to maintain its market leadership.
In 5.0, operational and customer impact has 5 parts, which are demography, awareness of IKEA's AI tools, usage of IKEA AI tools, perception and satisfaction towards IKEA's AI tools, and charge comparing operational KPIs, speed, cost, and satisfaction. First and foremost, most users are aged 18 to 24, showing that IKEA's AI tools mainly attract younger, digitally skilled customers, especially Gen Z and early millennials. Next, the gender distribution is almost equal, indicating that IKEA's AI tools appeal broadly to both male and female users. In this chart, the students are the largest user group, followed by employee users, highlighting strong adoption among tech-savvy and convenience-focused individuals. Next, most users fall within the low to middle income group, aligning well with IKEA's affordability and value-based positioning. In this part, over 75% of users visit IKEA's website or app at least once a month, several times a month, and weekly, that's showing high digital engagement and readiness for AI tools. Thus, most respondents feel comfortable using the IKEA app, supporting high usability and acceptance of AI features like IKEA KREATIV. Nevertheless, all 60 respondents are aware that IKEA uses AI, with most showing a strong understanding of its role in customer service. Next, users mainly learn about IKEA AI through the news or article and IKEA website or app that highlighting strong importance of having partner to share the information. Nonetheless, the IKEA KREATIV or AI-powered room scanning and 3D room visualization and AI recommendation system are the most recognized tools, showing the importance of visualization and personalization. Furthermore, most users browse IKEA's digital platform weekly or several times a month, confirming AI tools as part of the regular customer journey. In this part, the app is mainly used for to plan or redesign a room, to visualize furniture in my room, and to get design ideas, positioning it as a decision support tool. Next, a significant number of users rely on the app regularly or occasionally, showing strong influence on purchase decision. The key challenge include lack of furniture options, slow loading, and difficult to use, which can reduce user confidence to buy the furniture. Thus, most users report high satisfaction with IKEA's AI tools, indicating strong acceptance and perceived value. Next, users generally find the AI results accurate, especially for room layout visualization and recommendations. Lastly, over 78% agreed that AI tools make furniture shopping easier and more convenient to improve overall experience. In 5.5 evaluates IKEA creative impact on key operational KPIs, speed, cost, customer satisfaction. In terms of speed, AI enables instant room scanning and 3D visualization, allowing customers to make faster decisions without visiting the store. For cost, it can now need for in-store planning staff to lowering both customer and operational costs. Finally, in the satisfaction, by using the AR or design tools in order to improve purchase confidence and maintain loyalty.
Following our discussion on customer operation and their impact, we turn to examine how IKEA integrates ethical practices and sustainability consideration in its use of AI technologies. From a workforce perspective, AI tools like IKEA KREATIV should be used to support employees rather than replace them. This can be done through reskilling programs, transparent communication about AI role, and leadership support to reduce job insecurity and psychological stress. From sustainability perspective, responsible AI use is essential due to challenges related to big data, accessibility, and reliability. While AI can support monitoring and prediction across the supply chain, human-in-the-loop decision-making remains critical to ensure accountability, data validation, and to avoid misleading sustainability claims.
We propose 4 strategy recommendations to support IKEA's long-term sustainability and digital growth. First, IKEA should improve measurement accuracy by using AI to monitor supply chains and environmental performance in real time. This ensures sustainability claims are reliable and transparent. Second, we recommend a hybrid service model that combines AI with human expertise. While AI can analyze data, human judgment is still needed for ethical and complex decisions. Third, IKEA should expand accessibility by offering lighter digital tools and using web art, so customers with average device or slow internet can still use IKEA design features. Finally, IKEA should use granular customer feedback instead of simple ratings. This allows users to report specific issues, helping IKEA improve its AI system. Overall, this strategy will strengthen IKEA's innovation and user experience.
In conclusion, this project examines the application of AI in the Malaysian retail sector with a focus on IKEA Malaysia. The finding shows that AI, particularly through IKEA KREATIV, acts as a core service enabler by improving operational efficiency while supporting IKEA's cost leadership strategy. AI-powered tools enhance the furniture buying experience and increase customer confidence, especially among younger consumers. However, issues such as system errors and usability challenges highlight the need for continuous improvement. The analysis also raises ethical and workforce considerations, emphasizing that AI should support human decision-making rather than to replace it. To generate long-term value, AI must remain aligned with the customer needs and business goals, be implemented transparently, and be supported by reliable and well-maintained systems. That wraps up our analysis on evaluating the effectiveness of IKEA KREATIV as an AI tool in supporting customer decision-making. Thank you for your attention and have a good day, Doctor.